Today I will show you how to use Adobe Premiere Pro in different levels, basic, intermediate, and advanced level. The basic level, importing and trimming. First, we will drag the video in our timeline. Then we will trim the video by using razor tool by pressing shortcut key C. Then click the video in your timeline to trim your video. Intermediate level, the transition and effects. Now I will add more video to use the transition effect. First, I will go to the top left, the effects tab, then click some transition effects, then drag it to the second video to apply the transition effect. Advanced level, plugins and export settings. Install a plugin, and after installing the plugin, click the window tab at the top, then click extensions and click the plugin you installed. Now let's apply some plugins we installed. Now let's render it. Press Ctrl M to show the render settings.